Welcome back to our technology channel. Guys, today, I'm here to help you quickly resolve lag issues on your Windows 10 computer. Follow these simple steps with me. First things first, head to your Start menu and click on the Settings button. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the Privacy option and select General from the left sidebar. Now, let's toggle off for settings under General. These adjustments can significantly improve performance. Next, move on to the Speech tab and disable the speech recognition feature. To further optimize your system, continue by turning off location services, camera access, and any unnecessary permissions under the Notification tab. Remember not to disable microphone and voice activation settings unless you want to mute them. Account info and contact, calendar, phone call, call history, email, task, messaging, radios, other device, the most important background apps, app diagnostics. Skip automatic file downloads, documents, pictures, videos, and the last file system. Once you've adjusted these settings, it's time to restart your computer. This simple step will apply the changes and potentially resolve the lag problem you've been experiencing. I hope this quick tutorial helps you out. If you found it useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.